Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to make a mini journal. So here I'm using paper of 200 GSM. You can use paper according to what you want to use this mini journal for. So here I'm folding it into half and going to cut it. So here I've cutted the papers and this is how we again have to fold them. So this part is 21 centimeters and this part is 7.5 centimeters. So I'm going to divide this paper into 3 equal parts, that is 7 centimeter each, and going to cut them. So this is how this paper is gonna look like, and make sure that you cut them in the same size. So this is 7 centimeter. So I'm going to mark 2 centimeters from both the sides like this, and do the same with rest of the paper. Or you can do just take all of them together and take the paper in which you have marked the 2 centimeters and just do a line, and this is how you will get marked on all the papers. So now just take a clay or an eraser and put the paper over it, and take any needle or pin and make holes on them. Here I'm done with making holes on all of them. So now you need a needle and a thread like this to bind the papers all together. So now we're gonna bind these papers. So just pass the needle and thread through the holes like this. So now just make a knot at the end of the thread so that it won't get out of the paper. Now take another paper and pass the needles through its holes and make a tight knot like this so that they won't get separated easily. Now take the another paper and pass the needles to both the holes, and after passing it, now what we have to do is pass the needle from the center of the both pages like this, and repeat this step 2 times. These things will make our binding more strong. Make sure that you do this step tightly so that your paper won't get separated easily. And now repeat the same steps again with all of your papers and bind them strongly and tightly. So this is how the paper is going to look like after binding. So for the last page we have to make a knot like this, as you can see in the video. So now I'm going to open this book, and this is how it will look after binding. It won't get closed automatically, which is best about this book. Apply a glue over here to make it more stronger and let it dry. So this is 1.5 centimeter. I'm going to cut a page and stick it only on this area like this, as you can see in the video. We just have to stick it at this particular area, not on the whole page. Now just open the book just to check that the glue won't get inside your pages and stick them together. I'm going to make cover of this book by this page. Just mark the lines by taking measurement of your book and just do like what I'm doing right now in the video. Now cut the cover to the size of your book and cut these areas also. I have left this 1.5 centimeter extra to fold them. And now cut these areas so that you can fold them easily over the page. Now I'm taking this red page and stick this purple page over it. This red paper is exactly the size of the book. So now we have to cut these edges like this so they won't overlay each other when we fold them over this book. So now I'm going to stick this cover over this red page like this. Now this is how it will look after sticking the cover. I am going to stick these brown pages on both the sides of the book. So now this is how our mini journal gonna look like. Now you can use them for whatever work that you want, for sketching or watercolor or anything. Just use papers according to what you want to use them for. You can make them thick, thin or of any size that you want. Do this journal a try, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment sections, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. The link is given in the description. So do follow me on Instagram also. So if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.